The AI arm race, how superpowers are building autonomous war machines in silence. You are watching Global Affairs Tonight, and I am Dr. Bravo. Ladies and gentlemen, we are no longer living in the world where we were born. Not even close. A silent revolution is unfolding across the globe, not in parliament halls, not in press conferences, but inside cold data centers, hidden military labs, and classified artificial intelligence war rooms. A new kind of power is emerging, not nuclear, not conventional, not autonomous. Machines that think faster than human, decide faster than human, and in the near future may act without humans. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not science fiction anymore. This is the artificial intelligence arm race, and it has already begun. The new weapon. For decades, global power was defined by tanks, aircraft carriers, and nuclear warheads. But today, the most dangerous weapon does not explode. It calculates. Artificial intelligence has become the new battlefield multiplier. The United States is building autonomous drone swarms capable of overwhelming entire air defense system. China is integrating AI into its military decision chain, reducing human reaction time for minutes to milliseconds. And Russia is investing heavy in AI-guided electronic warfare system designed to disable entire digital infrastructure. Ladies and gentlemen, the battlefield is no longer physical. It is algorithmic. A war fought not soldiers but with systems that never sleep. The silent escalation. What makes this race so dangerous is not what we can see, but what we cannot see. There are no official declaration, no global treaties controlling autonomous weapons in real time. Instead, there is a silent escalation. Every superpower believes the same thing. If we do not build it fast, someone else will. This fear is accelerating development faster than regularly can be kept up. In secret testing zone, artificial intelligence systems are already being trained to identify targets without human input, predict enemy movement before it happens, and stimulate entire war in virtual environment before a single bullet or shot is fired. Ladies and gentlemen, we are entering in an era where wars may be simulated before they are even fought, and in some cases decided before even realize that they have begun. Removing the human factor. For centuries, we had one limited factor, human hesitation. But artificial intelligence removed that limitation completely. Machines do not hesitate. Machines do not fear. Machines do not feel regret. And this is where the dangerous begin. Because when decision making is transferred from humans to machine, morale, judgment is replaced by probability. Efficiency replaces empathy, and speed replaces reflection. Imagine a future where a drone identifies a threat in 0.3 seconds, classifies it on a hostile, and in 0.6 seconds launch a strike. This complete action is completed under 1 second without a human ever confirming the decision. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a distant future scenario. This is already being tested in control environments, and every test brings us one step closer to the irresistible autonomy. Global power struggle. The United States calls it an artificial intelligence superiority. China calls it intelligence warfare. Russia calls it the next generation strategic deterrence, but behind all these names, it is the same truth. Control of artificial intelligence equals to the global power for the new world order, because Whatever master autonomous system first will not just win battles, they will redefine warfare itself. Entire air defense networks may become absolute overnight. Naval fleets may be tracked and neutralized before leaving ports. Cyber artificial intelligence systems may disable infrastructure before physically conflict begins. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a traditional arm race. This is a race to control the future logic of war, the unknown future. But there is not question that remains unanswered. Perhaps the most dangerous question of all: what will happen when AI systems begin interacting with each other, even without human supervision? The AI defending against another AI, which is defending against the third artificial intelligence, each making decision in milliseconds beyond human comprehension. At that point, war is no longer strategic, it becomes autonomous chaos, and no nation, no superpower, no system may be fully in control. Ladies and gentlemen, we stand at the edge of transformation that will define the next century and the end of times. But before humans are building stronger weapons, but because we are building weapons that may no longer need us. The question is no longer who will win the artificial intelligence race. The real question is, will anyone still be able to control it? This is Mr. Bravo, and you are watching Global Affairs Tonight. At this and is the future of power. Stay awake, stay engaged, stay united, and stay tuned. Goodbye. Subscribe.